I bought it the 2021, if I'm not wrong, and I'm still having it. It has not bothered me in any one way. It has not broken down. It's a good pump. It's a strong one. In terms of money, I'm saving a lot. I can't give you figures, but with the current price of fuel, I'm saving a lot. In fact, I'm saving more than 75%, because what I'm paying for is just the labor of the person who is handling the pump. Currently, we have arrowroots. We also have maize. We also have beans, sweet potatoes. Right now, during the dry season, because we are in the dry season now, it's quite handy. It's quite useful. Normally what we do is we pump the water to a fish pond. We have a fish pond where we reserve the water, and then from there we drain the water using gravity, so we don't need to pump it again. The installation is very easy. Anybody can do the installation. What you need to know is just the basics of adding a bit of water to the pump, or the outlet and the inlet, and then the connections of the suction and the outlet pump. So it is very easy. It's not complicated. Anybody can handle it. It is easy to handle. It is maintenance free. I've never had to maintain it. So it is a very useful, very nice pump. Before I was using a petrol pump, and those days the petrol was not very high. But right now the price of fuel is very high. So I would recommend every other farmer to come forward and get this pump, because they are going to save a lot.